Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. It has been a week already. Time is rolling. Anyways, I'm about to get started on this cake, this joy cake I had an idea to do. Today's theme is all about joy and being in the spirit, so stay tuned. Wow, that's perfect. So I really would like to use these pans. These are pretty new, but well, the oven is ready. Perfect timing. I think I have lipstick stains on my nose. Anyways, I might have to use these even though they are kind of old and worn, but I will still use those because these are the correct size that I need. And I didn't feel like going to this store to get more. Okay, so it's finally time for me to start. I forgot I need my eggs. Okay, so I'm finally back with my eggs. So let's get started. So instead of water, I'll be using some buttermilk. Hopefully that'll make it a little bit more creamier. Excuse the airplane. So I kind of feel like being a little extra, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this cacao powder. I think that's how you say it. Never mind my Band-Aid and my boo-boo from the other day. In the middle of editing, I cut my hand, sliced it open on the glass table by accident. Let's add this. I'll probably add a little bit more buttermilk to balance it out. I feel like being a little creative, so I'm just adding in some vanilla extract, and why not? I have it, so I'll add some of this red food coloring gel just because I have it. Here's the fun part. My arm is tired already. It don't seem like it's thin enough. It seems like it's so thick. I'll be back when it's time to pour. I'm just trying to get these lumps out. It looks so good, right? All right, I'm about to pour it in. I hope I have enough to make them equal lengths or equal heights. I forgot to put butter in the pan or some Pam. Crazy. I'm just going to spray a little Pam on the sides of the pans. Hopefully it'll still come out okay. So we're about to see how it turns out. Wow, time is really rolling. It's almost 15 minutes. Let me hurry up and make this simple syrup for the cakes. So I need to hurry up and take these cakes out, but before I do, I'm going to make this simple sugar, equal parts water. It'll be It's just syrup to pour over the cakes to keep it moist while you let your cakes cool down. Let's see. Almost right without even looking. Let me put a little bit more in there. I need to heat it up to make sure it dissolves. Alright, so this is done. I'm about to cut this off and set it to the side and let it cool while I let my cakes cool. Time for cake moisture. Hey y'all, so my cake and my little simple syrup is just chilling and cooling for a little bit. I'm taking a break. I need to eat me something. I've been trying to get this cake together and recording all day. Since when have I been not recording? Anyways, I took this same bowl and made me a big bowl of rice, put some chicken and cheese in there. So I'm about to eat a little bit and then I'll get started with the cakes again. I can't help myself. I got food in my mouth, but yet I'm still trying to get these cakes together. So yeah, I hope I have enough. Here it goes. So I bought this. It's supposed to have been vanilla frosting. I thought it was white. I didn't even buy it for this, but luckily I have it now because I'll need it for this cake. I can make use of it, but for some reason this is red icing. It was supposed to be white because they didn't have yellow for my mother's rest in peace cake. Anyways, I would like to maybe try to make this red and green cream cheese frosting instead of using this regular red kind. So I'll see what I come up with. So first I'm going to try to make some red cream cheese frosting. If it don't turn out right, I'll just use the red vanilla frosting instead, even though I want cream cheese frosting. This might not be enough. Let's see. It's turning out pretty nice, pretty nice. Loving it, loving it. Put a little bit more. No, not that much, not that much. Can't wait to see this color get in there. I think it's turning out alright. It looks kind of pink. I might get mix some red in there. I'm about to compare the two. Let me see. This is a little bit more darker. I can add a little bit in there. It shouldn't change the flavor too much. So I added some red to it. Should make it a little bit more darker, but it should be okay. Being this color, hopefully this is enough to put on one cake. I'll have the J red for joy. All right, here it goes. I hope this is enough though. Let me see. It should be. So the color turned out pretty good. I'm about to slather this up and cut out my letters. I don't have a lot of the green left, so I'm just going to keep it in the middle where I know I'm cutting the Y from. So it should be okay. So I'm a little nervous. It's time to cut these cakes. Joy. I'll be back. I'm having a hard time with this cake. I think I put too much of that simple sugar on it, but I'm going to try to still salvage it. So we'll see what I come up with. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. If you would like to support the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Excuse the laundry noise.